How to properly charge at an Evolve New York charger on the EV Connect network. First, make sure you have the EV Connect app installed on your mobile device. Plug the charger into your vehicle, then open the app. You'll be prompted to locate a nearby station. The easiest way to connect is by scanning the QR code printed on the charger you're using. This will automatically sync your session and display the charger's details. Next, select your charger and tap Begin Charge. Before charging starts, choose your preferred payment method. Once payment is confirmed, your session will begin automatically. When you're finished charging, tap End Session. Give it a few moments to close out. You'll receive a confirmation alert that your session has ended. At that point, safely unplug your charger and return the connector to its holder on the station. You can also use a credit card directly at the station or RFID card. If further assistance is required, please call 1-866-816-7584. Thank you for charging with Evolve New York. Drive safe and happy charging.